Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is Zeeshan Hurmaz and I'm back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about STARLY, and I want to give you complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you will be getting in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before I start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get start recording STARLY. Basically, STARLY gets listed on KuCoin world premiere, and if you look to STARLY, the symbol is also same STARLY and get listed on KuCoin. Dear KuCoin user, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform STARLY. We will be available on KuCoin. Supported trading pair is USDT, means that if they are listed on KuCoin, and that time you will be easily to buy this one project with the pair of USDT. And I just want to give you some important about following schedule. You can see deposit effective immediately supported network is BEP20, means that these are working on Binance Smart Chain. If you want to buy this one project, you will be able to buy this one project easily from PancakeSwap. And I just want to give you some important about that how can you buy before listing this one project. And if you look to trading is on 17 February and withdraw will be on 20 February, means that if you want to buy this one project, if you want to withdraw this one project from one exchange to another exchange who are already exist on another exchange, so you will be able to withdraw this one exchange this one token on 20 February. And this is a main circulating supply of this one. This is a market cap and this is a total supply. And you can see if you look to the price is right now $0.8, and you can see STARLY Launchpad and marketplace for creator and collectors to expand economics around game-filled NFT collection. Collecting NFT here turn into a immersive experience with the different NFT rarity classes. Distribution is a sold packs, limited edition rewards, collector score, and other continuously evolving games like mechanism. Basically, if you look to this one project just want to launch different type of NFT, different type of collection in their website, and after that they just want to place the sell on this one projects, and after that we will be participate easily in those NFTs in pre-sale. And you can see collectors are engaged pro are online and or driven pack opening, the buying and sell cards on the marketplace to complete sets and get reward for achieving milestone on STARLY. Owning NFT is a social experience, opening a new kind of relationship that empower the community, created by the team behind Super While F3 and Ask FM, backed by the Whitepaper and 40 plus top tiers crypto funds. This is some detail about this one, but I just want to go to the main site of this one. But first of all, I just want to give you some important detail from the main coin market cap. You can see right over here. If you look to the main coin market cap, first of all, I just want to give you some important detail about this one project. How can you buy this one project? So you must be copy this one address to buy this one project before listing. And after that you simply go to PancakeSwap. I just want to click on that. I just want to search about PancakeSwap. You can see right over here. I just want to click on that, and if you click on that, simply you can click on swap button. And if you click on that, I just want to wait for some time, and to open this website, you can see right over here. First of all, I just want to copy this one address, and if you want to buy this one token on your mobile, so you will be easily buy this one token as well as on mobile, because you simply copy this one address. After it, simply open the trust wallet and you simply search on PancakeSwap. You do same process on mobile easily. And after I just want to click on that. If I want to click on that, you can see right over here. I just want to paste the address, and after that I'm just waiting for some time. But it is also too much dangerous, you know about that, if you look to those projects, because you can see right over here, if you look, market data is untracked. You must be know about that. After that some projects don't allow you to sell it back, so you can also search about it. I just want to cross and I just want to click again, because it's all depend upon your internet connection, and you simply wait for that. After that you will be easily to buy this one project. You can see I just want to copy again from here, and after that I just want to cross it here, and I just want to click on that, and you can see I'm just waiting for some time. I just want to click on that. After that you can see right over here, if I click on that, so you can see I'm trying again because this is completely depend upon internet connection. So I just want to refresh first of all, and you can see if you look to this one project, you can see I just want to clear this one point. How can you buy before listing? So if you look to the main tags of this one project, you can see this is art marketplace, collectibles and NFTs, Launchpad, NDO makers, EX network, capital portfolio, and Pitrock capital portfolio, Web3 and Moko brand portfolio, Sky version and capital portfolio, and Spartan group. So this is a pretty good project for us, and we must be participating in this one project. I just want to try again because I'm already do try on that, and you can buy. You can see it's completely working. STARLY's come to our on our PancakeSwap. So first of all, I just want to click on the import button, and you can see anyone can create a BEP20 token on BC with any name, including create fake version of existing token and token that claim to represent project that do not have a token. If you purchase an arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell it back. So you must know about that. There's a different type of fake tokens who are created by another fake people. So you must be know about that, and you must be think about that. You don't invest your fund without confirming any token. So I am copy this one address from the main coin market cap about this one project. You see, I just want to simply click on, I understand. I just want to click on the import button, and after that you simply connect your wallet with the MetaMask. And you know how can you add your MetaMask to your extension box. You can see right over here. First of all, you must be connect your PancakeSwap with MetaMask. After that, you will be easily to buy this one project. So this is how can you buy this one project easily with the pair of BNB. And I hope you know about that. How can you buy this one project? Because I am already told about this. How can you connect with MetaMask many time in many videos. And this is some detail about that. And if you look to the main community of this one project, you can see right over here. The main community is almost 47.9k followers. Means that community is also too much better. And this is a great news for this one project. You can see STARLY token listed on Blockto app. This is also listed on Blockto app, and you can also check out some detail about that. It means that they have almost 2 events. One are listed on KuCoin, and the second one is listed on Blockto app. So means that in that time they will be burn on more and more circulating supply, and we can see the main price of this one project lower. Because you can see if the circulating supply they burn, so in that time the price will become less. Because of if you look to, you can simply circulating supply divided by more coin market cap. In that time you will see in price a huge spike. So after I just want to go to the main website of this one project. You can see next drop a lot and be the first to know about upcoming drops. So there's a different type of drop, and if you want to participate in that, so you simply place your email right over here, and if you click on that, after that you will be able to get latest new, and you will be stay to update from that sites. So you simply place your email right over here. After you simply click on the subscribe button, you will be get different type of notification from that. And this is on sale now. If you want to participate in that, they have this is a new collection. I just want to give you some important detail about this one collection. You can see right over here, NFT collectibles by Phase Runner, and you can see finish is in 2 days and 3 hours and 33 minutes. So means that this is a mystery pack and 3 common cards and 1 random cards. Common cards 57% and rare card is 32% and legendary card is 11%, and the price is $35. So means that if you want to buy this one project, after that you will be easily to sell it back on a huge price. You know about it. This is all depend upon NFTs. You can see some detail about this one NFT who are right now on sale. So you can also participate in that. And how can you participate in that? First of all, you simply click on that. After that, they just want to give you to create account in this one website. After that, you simply connect your wallet with this one website with the with MetaMask. After that, you will be easily to sell it back easily, and you can also able to buy this one project from here. So there's some detail about that, and just want to go to the main site. You can see right over here there's a different type of NFTs. This is different type of collection who are already done by them. You can see sell ended, sell ended, sell ended, and you can also check out some detail about that. This is they just want to give some important recent sell who are done by them. This is markets place, and you can see this is a ranking top collection, and you can also participate in top collection. Because if you want to buy and sell any token, you will be get almost 30 to 40% easily down price and then the actual price. And basically if you look to the STARLY token, if you want to participate in there, just want to click on that and just want to open on this separate page, and this is some detail about staking. You can also stake your STARLY in their website, so this is also too much pretty good from about this introduction. STARLY token. STARLY is a utility token which serves as a medium to offer creators, collectors and the surrounding communities and the ultimate experience on STARLY's ecosystem. So if you want to read more about this project, you can see STARLY platform opens a new realm and for creators to connect, grow and monetize their assets through NFTified interaction. And the main mission of STARLY is to give anyone on easy access to tool for turning their content into existing and monetizable NFT based experience for the community around them. We are introducing a STARLY token to give creators and collectors the complete control over their rules on STARLY ecosystem and beyond. This is something about it. Our mission is to continuously evolve STARLY token as a centerpiece of STARLY ecosystem to benefit creators, collectors and token holders. And if you look to STARLY reward tiers, so you can see staking the STARLY tokens is the initial utility of the token that offer different rewards tier depending on the amount of staking STARLY token. There are 3 staking tiers: silver, gold and platform membership. Each tiers give its member a set list of benefits, so you can also buy and you can also take place in membership. If you want to participate in silver, so you will be get you can see there's different type of packages. And this is all detail about this project. I hope you like this video. You can see this main token distribution. You can see you can also study about it. 16% community and team advisor 22%, investor is 20.75%, and this is main supply of this one project, and this is 31.2%, and 5% is checking payouts and token liquidity 5%, and this is some allocations type, amount, participate, initial unlock. This is some detail about it, and this is a roadmap of this one project. You can see right over here. Roadmap is also too much important for us. You know about that. We have only just begun and repeatedly introducing new features. See our product roadmap or way below. So you can also study about that, and you can see this project have a many events, so you must be participating in that, because if you want to hold this one project for long term, almost for 1 year or 8 months, so you will be get a passive return from that size. Or investor list work as a statement of STARLY liquidity and future expectations. Some detail about this you can also study about that. I just want to scroll down. You can see because video just going to long, and this is a team and advisor who are working on that. And if you look to the launch date of STARLY token will be announced soon, don't miss it. So if you want to join the main Telegram channel of this project, you must be joined that, because you will be straight to update from that sites. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.